Welcome to Spring LIB.
In this question, it is told that a landscape architect is planning for a artificial waterfall, and we have given that water flowing at a 1.7 meter per second, and it leaves the end of a horizontal channel at the top of a vertical wall that is 2.35 meter high. Now, in the first part of the problem, we have to find that will the space behind the waterfall be wide enough for a pedestrian walk away. So first of all, we can say that I'm going to draw the diagram for this question. So this is the height of the wall, and from here the water falls with a velocity that is given to us, and this is the range of this horizontal range, and this velocity in x direction is given to us, that is v0 is equals to 1.7 meter per second, and this height is given to us, that is 2.35 meter, and this is x. Now first of all we have to find this x. So we can say that for this question we have given that there is a acceleration in vertical direction, that is ay is equals to minus of 9.8 meter per second square, that is downward direction, and acceleration is horizontal direction is 0. Now first I am using equation in vertical motion, that is yf can be written as y initial plus, that is v initial velocity in y direction into t plus of half acceleration in y direction into t square. From here we get the value of time taken by the water to fall. So this is 0 is equals to, this is 2.35 plus initial in y direction there is no velocity, so this is 0 plus half into this is minus 9.8 into t square. From here we get the value of t, and this will comes out to be 0.6925 second. Now we have to find the horizontal component, that is x is equals to, this is x naught plus of velocity initially in x direction into t plus of half acceleration in x direction into t square. Now this is 0 plus this is 1.7 into time is 0.6925, and there is no acceleration in horizontal direction, so this is 0. So we can say that the distance x is given by, this is 1.1 meter, and that is less than of 1.21 meter. So we can say that for this question our answer is yes, the space behind the waterfall, behind the waterfall be wide enough. Now in the second part we have to find, now it is told that to sell her plan to the city council the architect wants to build a model to the standard scale, and we have given that which is 1/12 of the actual size. Now we have to find that how fast should the water flow in this model. Now we have preparing a model, and we have given that the size is 1/12 of the actual size. So we can say that for B part our y distance is, that is 2.35 upon 12, and this will comes out to be 0.196 meter, and x is, that is 1.18 upon 12, and this will comes out to be 0.098 meter. This is for this part. Now similarly now I'm going to find the y component, that is yf written as y0 plus of, this is v0 into yt plus of half ayt square. From here we again find the time taken. So now in this case this is 0.196 plus there is no velocity in vertical direction plus half of, this is minus 9.8 into t square. From here we get the value of, this is 0, so t will comes out to be 0.199 second. Now we have to find the speed, so we can say that in x direction it is written as xy is equals to x naught plus of speed in initial speed in x direction into t plus half ax into t square. Now this is 0.098 is equals to, initially this is initial position is 0 plus this is v naught initially into, this is 0.199 plus 0. From here we get the initial speed, in the model, and this will comes out to be 0.49 meter per second. So this is our answer for this part of the problem. Thank you.